Hi, my name is Bart and I'm a miniature painter and a creative designer. I originally started Paintquisition as a personal project for social media to share my miniatures with other enthusiasts. Shortly after, I have noticed there's a gap in the market. When I started display painting while living in a city, I had a major problem accessing good-looking plinths for my figures. So I always wanted my designs to stand out from the crowd of simple black resin or cheap wood bases. I used wooden building blocks for kids, sofa or furniture legs, or other decorative wooden elements in order to make things more interesting. Still, it was not enough, and I always had the feeling that my basing game can be done better. This is when I decided to do something about it. At Paintquisition, we believe that each painter should have the power not only to paint a miniature the way they want, but also to display it to the best possible level. We look at plinth bases in a similar fashion as a painter looks at the miniature. We wanted to convey a strong and precise message to the viewer, as when combined with the art piece itself, it becomes twice as powerful. For our product, we use the best possible quality Greek olive wood. We choose the tree elements that are close to the roots and branches in order for the plinths to be full of intricate designs and inclusions. We make sure that our environmental footprint does not affect the natural order, so all the wood we collect comes from olive trees that had to be removed due to sickness or from regular seasonal trimming. We put a particular emphasis on quality, so each product goes through a strength test in addition to regular heavy-duty treatment. We polish the plinths with sandpaper to a perfect shine and use natural tints instead of paint to give them color. We also add a piece of colored felt that matches the bottom side of each product. All this handmade production makes our product unique and one of a kind, but most of all, appreciated by painters from all around the world. Working with this market niche got us to realize that we can bring more to the mini painting world, so we also have other products in range and are working towards expanding our offer even further.